In this video, I'm going to explain how to create a customized funnel chart from your datasheet. Now, from this funnel chart, you can clearly see name, total counts, and the percent change from each and every stage. Of course, there is a built-in feature available in Excel. If you simply select all of your dataset, click on Insert, Recommended Chart, there is a funnel chart options available. But this chart has many limitations. For example, you cannot select a customized data label. The next thing, let's say I have many sessions. For example, instead of 1 leg, if I have 3 leg session, hit enter, you can see my funnel become narrow. And from the built-in chart, I cannot read the data label. But this chart still show me each and everything clearly. The name of stage on a very left side, while here it's side by side. So you can clearly see total count and the percent changes. Of course, there is many other benefit as well, but my goal is to show you how to create this customized funnel chart for your data set. Consider we have this data sheet on which the very left side table are the actual funnel data set. The first thing, we need to create few helper column. I'm going to show you the formula for each and every column. Also, I will share this template with you. If you have more than 6 stages, you can simply follow this method and create your own funnel chart. Okay, the first thing, we need to create formula on stage column. Simply type equal. Now click on B5 and %, and now simply type corrected 10 function. This function will insert a line break in Excel formula. And % again, and now simply type text function, open parenthesis, click on C5, hit comma. Now for the format text, we need to type quotation mark, simply type hash comma hash hash, quotation mark again, close parenthesis, hit enter, and now simply drag this formula till the end of data set. The next thing, click on middle column, simply type equal, and now click on C5, hit enter and drag this formula till the end of data set. Now on column F5 and H5, we need to type 0. And now click on product view column, simply type equal, open parenthesis, click on the first value, hit F4 key to log the reference, subtract the current value, close parenthesis, and now we need to divide this value by 2, hit enter. Now I'm going to drag this formula till the end of my data set. For the right column, I'm going to simply type equal and select F6, hit enter and simply drag this formula till the end of data set. Now we need to calculate percentage based on the first value. On I5, either you can type 100% or you can simply leave this a blank. On I6, we need to type equal, select the current value, divide this by the first value, make sure hit F4 key to log the reference, hit enter and simply drag this formula till the end of data set. Now the last column just show you the hex color we need to use for each and every stage. You can use the hex color based on your brand guideline. Okay, our data set are ready. We need to create a chart from this data set. The first thing, we need to select all of my data set, left, middle and right column. Click on Insert, Recommended Chart, All Chart, Bar Chart. We need to select Stack Bar Chart and simply hit OK. For now, I'm going to move this chart on the bottom area and we need to increase width and height of this chart a little bit more. The very first thing, I will click on vertical x-axis, right click, format x-axis and simply click category in reverse order. The next thing, I'm going to click again on vertical x-axis, hit delete key. Now click on horizontal x-axis, hit delete key. Now click on plus button and simply off the grid line. We don't need the legend and simply off those as well. For now, we don't need the chart title. I'm going to off this as well. Now click on plus button again. Now select the chart. Click on format. On a very left side, you can see a drop down menu. Simply select plot area. Now you can see we need to middle align this chart. So I'm going to reduce the plot area from the left side. The next thing, I will click any of the bar, right click, format data series. For the gap width, in this case, I'm going to type, let's say 10%, hit enter. Now I will select a very left series, click on plus button, data label, more data label option, label options. Here you can see value from cell. Simply click this one and now select the stages row. Now hit OK. Make sure uncheck value and show leader line. And for the position, I will select inside end. Now I will select right data series. Click on plus button, data label, more data label options, label options, value from cell. In this case, I will select all of my percentages. Simply hit OK, uncheck actual value and show leader line. And now again I will select my right data series. Click on format. For a shape fill, we need to select no fill. And now select lift data series. For a shape fill, we need to select no fill. I think we need to click on this data label. We need to select inside base option. Now again I will click on my lift data label. Click on home option. We need to select right align option. Almost our data label are ready. We simply need to increase the font size a little bit. Now we need to assign our hex color code to each and every bar. The first thing, I will copy my first hex code, hit Ctrl C, click on my chart, select a bar, it will select all of the bar, select again, it will only select a specific bar, click on format, shape fill, more fill, custom. On hex code area, simply hit Ctrl V, hit OK. Now copy my another hex code, hit Ctrl C. Now the last thing, if you want to change the color of data label, click on the chart again. Click on data label, click again. Here you can see the same color. So you can select the same color options to each and every data label. Now this is how you can create this amazing funnel chart for your data sheet. Each and everything is totally dynamic. If I simply update this value to, let's say, 3 lakh, we can clearly see our chart. If we simply decrease this value further, still we can read our chart. Even if we increase our first value to, let's say, a very large number, hit enter, we have a very narrow funnel chart, but still we can get insight from our chart. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something useful. I'm going to share this template with you. Please like and subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you so much.